Let us learn example 720. The ratio of the volume of two cones is 2:3. Find the ratio of their radii if the height of the second cone is double the height of the first cone. Okay, so here the volume of the two cones is given as 2:3. Then they ask the ratio of the radii, but they given the relation with the height of the second cone is double the height of the first cone. Okay, so for doing this sum, first of all you consider R1, R2 be the radii. Okay, two cones no, so R1, R2, H1, H2 be the height and V1, V2 be the volume. Okay, so we can write since the volume of the cone is given, you write the volume formula, volume of the cone formula. It is 1/3 pi r square h. Okay, now what are the values are given from the given data or from the given information? Volume we can write it second. Here height of the first, say height of the second is double the height of the first. Okay, height of the second, it is h2 is equal to double the height of the first. So 2h1. Okay, this is equation number 1. And ratio of the two cones V1 is to V2 is equal to 2:3. Okay, so V1 is to V2 is 2:3. We can write the formula volume. It is 1/3 pi r square h. V1 means R1 square h and V2 is 1/3 pi R2 square h. Okay, which implies 1/3 pi R1 square h is to 1/3 pi R2 square h is equal to 2:3. Okay, we can write as 2/3 also. So, okay. Now, what are the values are common? You can cancel in the left side itself. Okay, since here you have the ratio. Ratio means it is like the fraction form. So, you can cancel the values in the left side itself. The common values. No, it is wrong. The cancellation. This H1, it is H1 and H2. Okay, now so we can cancel 1/3 pi only from these two formula. So you will get R1 square H1 is equal to 2H1. Sorry, H1 is to R2 square. In the place of H2 you write 2H1 equal to 2:3. Okay, here you can cancel the H1. So you are getting, we can write this both ratio in the fraction form, R1 square divided by 2R2 square is equal to 2/3. Okay, which implies this 2 you can multiply to the, only this 2 you multiply with the opposite side. So numerator, otherwise you take this only to the other side. So the remaining R1 by R2 the whole square is equal to 2 into 2, 4 divided by 3. Okay, so what is the value of R1 by R2? Taking square root on both the side. So we will get R1 by R2 in the left side. In the right side you will get square root of 4 divided by 3. Okay, what is the value of square root of 4? Square root of 4 is 2 square divided by square root of 3. Okay, so you get R1 by R2 is equal to 2 divided by 3. But in our question they ask find the ratio. So we can write this answer in the ratio form. R1 is to R2 is equal to 2 is to root 3. Okay, so we got the answer. We can write the ratio of the radii is 2 is to root 3. Are you all clear?